Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to install GitHub CLI on Windows. So let's start. GitHub CLI is used to manage GitHub repositories, issues, pull requests directly from the command line. So let's see how to install it. So search for command prompt. Open your command prompt in administrator mode. Once you open your command prompt in administrator mode, then you can see the interface like this. Now we are going to use WinGet to install GitHub CLI. So type a command WinGet install github.cli, then press enter. So WinGet will automatically download and install GitHub CLI on Windows. Now wait for some time. And here you can see the message successfully installed. So after installation, just to verify the installation, type a command gh space ---- version. Press enter, and over here you can see the version of GitHub CLI. So in this way we can install GitHub CLI on Windows. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.